when it comes to the liquor policy. Now, more skeletons seems to be tumbling out. As far as the Sheesh Mahal report findings are also concerned, especially on the expenditure, the money that has been spent on the renovation of the CM house, around when it comes to the findings that are now concerned with the construction that was done sans any permission, without any permission. Another finding goes on to say that rules were flouted by the then PWD department. Another finding that goes on to say that full records have not been made available by the PWD, and the cost per square meter that was increased by 50%. Nearly 1.87 crores that has been spent on sanitary furniture and gym items as well. So this is as far as when it comes to the Sheesh Mahal report, because one of the many, 14 at least, when it comes to the pending reports, that was one on the liquor policy today that has been tabled in the Delhi Assembly. Now this is the details on the Sheesh Mahal that has now also come out. As far as when it comes to more skeletons there, the Sheesh Mahal report, the details there as we talk about the multiple findings of what this report highlights, especially on the work that was now done on the renovation of the Chief Minister's residence.